Casela is one of the most popular leisure and attraction parks in Mauritius. It offers a variety of fun and thrilling activities to everyone. We visited Casela Nature Park in December 23 and of course we had a very memorable day. Mauritius is an Indian Ocean island nation. It's known for its beaches, lagoons and reefs. We had taken car rental in Mauritius. The best option to travel around Mauritius is to rent a car. It is safe and economical. There are many car rental service companies in the country. If we plan in advance, we can book a car in advance only so that we can take the handover from the airport itself when we land. The minimum age for hiring the car in Mauritius is 21 years. The park spans over 350 hectares of land, which is divided into 5 zones. Each zone has its own unique characteristics. The 5 zones are Thrill Mountain, Predator Kingdom, African Safari, Pangaea Birds and Rides, and World of Events. If we plan in advance, we can enjoy all these things in a comfortable way. So, in our experience, one day is enough to explore and enjoy the park. We had done online booking for certain activities. The first activity was African Safari. Hence, we could directly go into the safari bus. This safari enabled us to get feel of Africa in Mauritius with unique chance to encounter antelopes, white rhinos, zebras and ostriches. The African Reserve is of extraordinary scenic beauty with the iconic Rampart Mountain serving as backdrop. Casela Nature Park offers several fun ways to get closer to animals of the African safari.
À votre gauche, vous pouvez voir les coqs à 300. C'est le plus paresseux des antilopes qu'on a. Now you can see the water bug. Water bug. The laziest antelope at the town. They only eat them sleeping all the journey.
We completed our African safari. It took almost 1 hour, the ride duration, and then we returned to the main entrance to proceed for our next activity. Next activity we took was Tulwaka ride. There is a Tulwaka Gold Coaster. It's a unique summer ride. It includes a cable lift hill as well as vertiginous descents and bends. It provides exciting thrill ride with breathtaking view of the west coast of Mauritius. It's really beautiful and worth taking this ride. Next, we visited the zone Predator Kingdom. There is a unique opportunity for visitors here to have once in a lifetime experience. The big cat encounters include walking with lions, interaction with cheetah, feeding the lions, and drive through to see tigers and lions in their natural habitat. What we can see here is people inside tiger's cage. They are standing very close to them and feeding them, taking photos with them.
Okay, 3 sets of eyelids and 2 rows of eyelids.
There is also a 4D cinema. It's really a fun way to enjoy the park, and there is a short animated movie of 5 to 10 minutes duration. It was really fun.
Betting farm.
There is also a fish feeding zone, and we can purchase a feeding token to get some fish food from the feeding machine. There is also a special zone which is dedicated for kids. It's Pangaea Kids Park. It's a brand new world full of fun located in the heart of Casela Park. This provides monkey swing, mushroom vortex, carousel, and many more activities. Kids can also become little chefs at the Wam Wam restaurant where they will learn to make their own pancakes and pizzas. There is flying hippos, mini golf area, little travelers, and even a toy train. One of the important attractions in Mauritius is the giant tortoises. One of the two different giant tortoise species which were endemic to Mauritius. This doomed species seems to have specialized in grazing of grass as well as fallen leaves and fruit on forest floors. We again return to the main entrance lobby so that we need to catch a bus to the Thrill Mountains. Here we got into a bus which will take us to the Thrill Mountain. Thrill Mountain at Casela combines all mountain and rope activities for thrill seekers. Jump from a 40-meter platform into a canyon, zip across breathtaking scenic valleys, walk on the spectacular Nepalese bridge, zip and splash into the river, and for the more adventurous type, hiking and mountain climbing, etc. So we are going to take the Nepalese bridge and 5 zip lines, cross the canyons on spectacular Nepalese bridge, and fly on 5 zip lines for a unique sensation while admiring the panoramic view of the west coast. Of course, we are super excited. The height of the Nepalese bridge is between 80 to 100 meters above the forest canopy. See, in the background we can see people walking on the bridge. I must say it's really once in a lifetime experience, and the view is really breathtaking. It's me coming on the zip line. Wow, it was super exciting.
How was the experience?
It was awesome.
So with that, our day is going to end, and we are returning to our hotel with lot of new memories and new experiences.